Hello everyone, this is Twilight Sparkle, Sunny Rays, Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie, and Star Swirl, and this is a request from Tommy Bauer. I think that's how it's said. And he wants us to watch this time Thomas, Percy, and the Mail Train. Mm-hmm. How come Thomas doesn't do it with Percy anymore? I don't know, Pinkie. Fog is such a nuisance. Hi, Henry.
At last, Henry arrived. Sorry, he puffed. The mail boat from the mainland was delayed.
Oh,
Come on,
dear.
Percy, said his driver. Let's make up for lost time. Percy.
Hurry, Percy Worsey.
The sun was already rising as he finished his work. Never mind, thought Percy. It's nice to be up and about when it's the start of a new day and there's no one else around.
That's true.
Percy.
Harold!
Father, said Percy. It's that dizzy thing, Harold. Good morning, word Harold. I always said railways were out of date, but you're so slow with the mail.
Harold!
The stamps back. Percy was too tired to explain. Bird brain.
I'm glad Harold's not like that anymore.
You're up early this morning? No, you're wrong, sighed Percy.
Bird brain is actually an insult to birds.
He rolled into the shed and fell asleep almost before his buffers touched the bar.
You mean the buffers?
His driver decided to set off early that evening. Thomas was waiting at the station. Thank goodness I have a chance to speak to you. Driver says that the person in charge of the mail has complained to Sir Topham Hatt about the delay last night. But that wasn't my fault.
Yeah!
I know, said Thomas, and so does Sir Topham Hatt. But this mail person wouldn't listen. Tonight we'll just have
That mail person must be somewhat of a jerk. Sunny Rays. Well,
I say, you two, there's news flying about. Where? Puffed Percy crossly. All over the place. They're going to scrap the mail train and use me instead. Wings work wonders.
why do humans think these horrible things?
That night,
You can do it, Thomas and Percy.
Thomas and Percy steamed through the stations, making good time everywhere they went.
This proves the saying is true. Little engines can do big things. Yes, indeed, Pinkie.
At a station, Thomas noticed a man looking cold and worried. He had missed his train home. We can give you a ride, said Thomas's driver, but it will be rather uncomfortable. Thank you, said the man. Anything's better than sitting here.
Well, at least he's grateful he has a ride.
The next afternoon, Percy passed the airfield and saw Harold. Hello, lazy wings. Are you too tired to fly today? The wind's too strong, grumbled Harold. I've been grounded. You need rails, laughed Percy. They work wonders, you know. Always.
Oh, Percy.
That night, Sir Topham Hatt showed the two engines a letter. It was from the man who missed his train. He thinks you are both splendid, and everyone says that the mail train is the pride of the line.
Oh, good. Well, that's the end of it. Well, Tommy Bauer, I hope you enjoyed that one we did for you. The one you requested? Yeah. Okay, let's wrap this up. This is Twilight Sparkle, Pinkie Pie, Fluttershy, Sunny Rays, and Star Swirl saying goodbye, Tommy and other YouTubers.